Hey subscribers! Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, ay mag-unboxing ako ng regalo sa akin ng asawa ko for our 4th wedding anniversary. So this is the box that he gave me guys. Actually, I ordered this one pero ako yung nagsabi sa kanya na eto na lang yung regalo niya sa akin for our wedding anniversary. Kasi I saw this item in the social media guys. Mga 2 months ko na tong pina-follow sa social media, sa Instagram nila, sa TikTok, sa YouTube. Yeah, sikat sila sa social media guys. I haven't seen this bag originally or personally. I saw this bag guys sa mga social medias, and then mga 6 days or 5 days prior to our wedding anniversary guys, May 10 yung anniversary namin, nakita ko siya sa vlog ni Mimi or Rihanna or Coffee and Sparkle. So, Mimi made me buy this bag. So, I think pareho yung kulay na binili ko. Pareho kami ng kulay mocha. So, nung nag-browse na naman ako sa website ng brand ng bag na to, is nakita ko ni Teddy. So, sabi ko sa kanya na eto na lang please yung wedding gift niya sa akin. And tinanong niya ako kung magkano, and then sabi naman niya kung pasok sa budget, why not? So, check out ko na guys. So, I'm not sure if you're familiar with this bag, but sikat to siya sa TikTok and sa Instagram and sa YouTube. So, let's go. Let's open it. And here's my knife. I really love this company guys kasi in-order ko siya ng Tuesday evening. Dumating siya ng Saturday afternoon. So, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Mga 3 days lang, 3 to 4 days lang ha, and to think from Spain pa to. So, this is the box pa lang guys sa bag. So sleek, so nice, so good. And yung print niya is gold. And parang may pagka blush on pink or blush pink. Blush pink yung kulay ng bag. So let's open the box guys. And ta-da! So this is what's inside guys. The first one that you will see is the picture of the model. So, this is the Polène Numero Un Nano in color Mocha, M-O-K-A. So, ang cute ng tissue paper niya guys na cover. And tanan! May pa-dust bag si Polène. May pa-dust bag siya. Very soft yung dust bag. And it's cream color. So this is the bag, Polène Numero Un Nano in the color Mocha. So this is the bag guys. So cute, so cute. Lagay siya ng bubble wrap kasi from Spain pa to guys. So, let's open it and sabay-sabay nating tingnan guys kung ano yung laman, kung ano yung itsura ng bag. So, this one, wow! Tapos, meron siyang nakasulat dito na gold na pangalan niya, Polène. So, and yung strap niya is my adjustable. So, it's really perfect for a girl like me na petite na a-adjust yung strap. I really love small bags guys kasi pag umaalis kami, wallet lang naman ang dala ko eh. Maliit lang yung wallet ko. So, this one. So, let's open it. So, The color of this bag, guys, is mocha. So, the color of this bag is mocha. May gold hardware siya dyan. Sa ilalim, 4 na gold hardware. Tapos, yan yung gold na pangalan niya, POLÈNE. And this is made of calf leather, smooth calf leather. So, pag bubuksan mo siya, guys, is ganyan. May snap siya dyan, guys. Dyan, gold. And then, yung hardware niya, nakasulat yung POLÈNE. May markang POLÈNE dyan, guys. Tapos, may ganyan, pa ganyan siya. I don't know what you call that. May pa-snap siya, guys. Kung marami-rami yung ilalagay mo sa loob. So, ganyan. Hindi mo na siya i-snap. Kung marami kang ilagay, i-diretso mo na lang siyang i-ganyan. And so, very secure naman yung laman ng loob ng bag. After that, so, may nakalagay pang ganito. Tas ganyan.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Yeah. Cotton yung lining. Ito leather yung inside. Same as dito sa harap. Tapos yung loob niya, guys, is 100% cotton. So, ganyan yung loob niya, guys. Ganyan yung loob. Tapos, mayroon lang siyang konting pocket here. Lagayan ng kung ano-ano. Yan yung loob, guys. So, may konti siyang pocket here. Mga cards, receipt, or whatever. And then, mayroon siyang maliit na pocket din sa likod, guys. So, meron siyang maliit na pocket sa likod. And then, ang maganda, guys, lady like me, guys, na petite, is, i-close muna natin. So, ganyan siya. Mag-snap lang siya. So, for a person like me, guys, na maliit or petite, so, na-adjust yung strap. Adjust yung strap. So, this is what it looks like, guys. Ganyan. Susukat ko siya, guys, ha.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals.
So, ang mga usual na dinadala ko, guys, pag maliit lang yung bag ko is first is my wallet and car keys and house keys and sanitizer and my phone. So, itong 4 lang. So, magkasya siya. So, this one, lagay natin yung wallet, yung phone, yung sanitizer, and yung key. So, marami pa rin siyang room, guys, if mayroon kang ilalagay. So, marami pa rin siyang room. So, I love this bag, guys. I really love these bags. So, ganyan. So, dainty, classic, and sleek. So good. Nabili ko siya ng $425 I think. And for Canada guys, kasi from Spain siya, sinend nila through DHL, nagbayad ako ng tax na $62 Canadian dollars na tax. So this is it guys. So this is my bag, and you can wear it on a daily basis, ganyan. And pag may mga aurahan, pwede din to kasi classy din siya. So yeah.